I myself was a very restless person when I was very young, and therefore I'm not perturbed when in youth, when young people are restless or they have adamancy or stubbornness. It's fine. That is what makes it beautiful. The diversity of behavior and diversity of expression, maybe in form of rebellion also. It looks good. It adds color. It shows some dynamism. As elders, it's very important to become an inspiration to the restless people, or rather to the youthfulness or adamancy, stubbornness. It need not change. If elderly people like myself and all of us, if we are an inspiration, then we will not be perturbed about the expression of youthfulness in the youth, maybe in the form of something irritating to you. See, they are the rising mind, and the rising mind is warm. It has its new rays, and those new rays needs expression. And we are the setting mind, and the setting mind is cooling. And the setting mind is like the setting sun. It must give a lot of coolness to the warm rising mind. The setting mind should not be indifferent and stay away from the activities of the rising mind. It needs to merge, it needs to learn how to merge with the youth, and it needs to give an inspiration. And that inspiration could be a direction for the rising mind, with all its flaws, no doubt, and with all its creativity, with all its ambition, with all its anxiety, romance, maybe a little out of place, but then how to bring it all in place for the youth? It's by inspiring, it's by giving a direction. So the cooling mind, which is the setting mind, needs to become a inspiration, and not to meddle with the affairs of the youth to start making them, be conditional, or to condition them in any which way. It's not necessary. Let them express themselves, and they need to be welcomed because they are the rising mind, and we have already been through that, and we are the setting mind, which is cool, which has experienced and immense wisdom, and we should be there to welcome them, to bring them and to hold them and to welcome them to the next domain of maturity. So that way the elderly needs to be an inspiration by interacting with the youth, but not to condition the youth, but to give them direction, and the youth must be allowed to express themselves because they are the rising mind, and its rays are hot sometimes, but you are much cooler because you are the setting mind.